Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Raga.
Yo.
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 Yeah, piece of mix up youth.
Rigs.
One of the SQUADDY scene.
Mm.
Live a Portmore now.
Mm-hmm.
Someone do it on duty, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And then the girl over here there. So he said, no, surprise her.
You for surprise our theme girl?
No, we have a surprise our team.
Yeah.
Because I work, so the here I work, it's my pop up on her.
Yeah.
But he might pop up on her now. Like in a tactical way.
Yeah.
So we are going as a team now, so we are going, so in bossy do going.
Yeah. Well, now, you're there on speakerphone, you know, you can't, you have to there on speakerphone.
Hold on. No having the Bluetooth, hold on.
Yeah, come on for Bluetooth or the earpiece, yeah.
Yeah, hold on, give me 1 second. Yeah, you hear me now?
Yeah, man, much better, yeah. Rings.
Alright. Cool. So we're going to go tactical scene.
Yeah.
You him there front and no real SQUADDY thing. Tactical thing and going.
Yeah.
So man, boss the door, say man, you're nice. Look morning, so he text the boy a blue share watch, you know. So in bossy bedroom do that. The man say a piece of tool and get back as man. Me say, yo, rather.
Jesus God, when him boss do I want a heavy tool. She said that.
Hammer.
A hammer that no one big level something good here take down.
I tell you the man when the man hold the door jam in the man sink the door jam when you think you know.
Him do what?
Sink the door jam when you hold the door jam. He sinking door jam the finger. Hold the thing, the man gets stroke same time.
Wait, your SQUADDY get stroke?
Same time, so
What stroke take him right away when him see the when him see the big heavy something when him girl a take down.
When the man hold the door jam, he's literally like half his finger out of the door jam, man. Stuck in there.
What him finger stuck in the door jam?
Yeah.
So him finger mash up and him get stroke, no?
Him finger mash up the whole we always show taking his strength he have. He sink the door jam, he sink the door he wood with his finger. When he grip you when he see a reach her.
Oh, me understand now. The stress for take him.
He take say yo.
So what man after that now?
We have to take him go to doctor and man get stroke, man. We have to forget about him jealous.
Yeah, no.
Chano, we have to blue light out the place.
Run can go hospital and thing because I want big heavy something she did that take down.
Raga. It's like a bomb now. I know. It's like a compare 9mm to 50 caliber.
Well, I know. It's like comparing film thing to YMC. Him have the 9mm and him have the 50 caliber.
Yeah.
You know. Yeah.
And the 50 caliber.
No, I tell you something, you know. A long time I'm a big man. You know, I want mash you know, I want mash up man head with them something there. But man can't understand it. And the way a woman play them, you know, because remember say when them man they juggle with them woman, you know, them woman they ball up both it aunt. Jesus, you cannot take time and whatever, you know. So you know, so them well on man, so the man them always have it say, yo, anytime I put it on palm, she can't manage me. My woman, she can't manage me. I'm ball, she ball when me I deal with that, you know. And you see when a man now have that permanent in him head now, and him don't know say that woman they just know how him to make him feel nice, you know. But you see when him have that permanent in him head now, and him go see her I take somewhere like 3-4 times film. I shock that to them.
Yes.
Worse if she don't even a ball out the way she ball with him, you know, but she did it like a deal with it like a general and thing, you know. The man they lose their mind them way there, you know.
Right now, man, 100. Man on care, man, he more lean right now.
I know he more lean from his stress, no, from the stroke, no. John, no.
A female, them.
A female, though.
Yeah, female, the man can both music keep going, man. And, you know, when I look at show and say, man, approach tactical and go through the door
Yeah.
with the gun. I say, man, I go pan in my house.
Ja, no.
But I mean, feel the female, you know, like.
And get struck right away.
Right away.
But mash up a general head, you know.
Tell her something, Raga. Tell her, Raga, see me? I'm pop up my corner and say, yo, me forward.
Hold on. Stop laughing a second. You see what you just say?
Yeah.
You know, say, years ago, me I tell people, I just what them, some of my brethren, them, you know, me have two set of friends. The ones that I go college with up here and work in a kind of professional intellectual setting here. I'm a Jamaican friend, them, right? And each set of friends think differently. You see, my Jamaican friend, them, a years me I tell them certain things and them used to beat me and done me and say, yeah, idiot, me nah do that. You know, so that is one of the things me always I tell them and them did I beat me back in the day. Them get older now, the older we get older now, and I must admit, enough of them come round. All the while, they must say, John, no, no tipper. You know, them, some of them call me tipper. You say, John, no tipper, you know, say, you always did that tell with that, and wherever I beat you, and I say, you're girl clown or whatever. And you know, say, me dead, you know. That is one of the things that me always tell them, you know. But say to them, say, listen, unless you're prepared to make a definitive decision, if you run up on certain something, don't do that screechy back thing depend on woman and whatever. Make sure know you come.
Yeah.
Make sure know you come. That's something there. If you screech and go back and thing like that and you can't manage it and you think you can't manage it and thing, make sure know you come. But for me, the other part of that too is that if a man did it, it might be a idiot to where go feel like saying for move to me certain way and I go force me if I'll do him something. Yes, what me I say?
Yeah.
So I even upon a level that me I made like, yo, my life more precious than anything. And you know,
go to prison.
Yeah. I mean I want their prison and a man I go say, are you always a shake your tambourine, I go make your ball or bend over. No, me nah go prison for no front. Yo, my dog. Me have a running joke here, you know. Me tell them, you know, say, any of me in love with a woman, in love with her. And me come home, and me preps through the door, and see her I take something 5 times my wood. And she take it effortlessly. Me I take time lock back the door, you know. And me I go in the kitchen, go make them some lemonade, you know, because them are tired when they're done. You hear me? I say, I'm going to make them some nice lemonade and make sure say sweet and good, refreshing. And I'm going to wait till them done, you know. And when they're done, you know, when they're done, and then come out, I'm going to say, no excitement, no, we don't need for war or nothing. See some lemonade there, no poison in it, because when they did that go on good. Right? And I say, no drink some lemonade. And me and that man in a no argument, you know. In other words, upon another level now, me not in a big friend thing with him, you know, me not gonna lie, because if me really they love her like that, you know. But me but if anything, this is another look a weird thing with me, you know. Me I say, if me a woman and she go born me, would I feel upset if she born me for a careless work, you know.
True.
No, that not gonna look good for me. See, you go born me for a little idiot sort of. No man, if you go born me, man, get one big with something with deal with your bilious and things. So me know say, you know, it deserves the bun, it makes sense. There is a sexual logic there that you will go over there for that sample work there and thing. And the only thing me I gotta ask, this is the only thing me I gotta ask, if I'm my place, you got to go.
Got to go.
The man have to go. And if him don't want to go, then me and him are going to have something because, you know, I just know would have bust him head in with something because he's got to leave. But me not worry him because as long as him never force himself on her and she give him.
Yeah,
Take it, yes.
Like, man, take it.
Yes, man. You take it, man.
Man.
Yeah, if me have a woman and thing and whatever, and she a give you and you attracted to her, take it and deal with her good too.
Papa,
Me
yeah,
and you not war.
Papa sort out. Yeah,
Yes,
sort out, Papa,
me not going prison over for no woman front, cause me not own her front. All right?
And I feel her to give you
It's for her to do what she want to do with it. You understand? Yeah? Me no own her front. And she can't come tell me about, you don't even be jealous or anything. You see, say you don't even love me and come to me with them cheap psychology there and thing and whatever. Yeah, me nah go prison for no burger. And the man I go say, yeah, Mr. Tambourine, man, I go make you ball out Tambourine. Look more. You say, yo, hey, Raga, pick up his soap. Yeah, no, that not reach me. That not reach me. Not happening. Not happening. You understand? Nah, I'm just one of the man them out there now. When if a girl ever do me that, me kick her in her face and gunshot, me kill her, whatever. No, make she go on, dog.
Enough man out there.
Yeah, other woman out there. You understand? Under here. Somebody say, somebody say under me, somebody post. Yeah.
See it.
No, but the brother gets choked. Listen to me. What that mean, is that he saw something that he never expect to see.
Yeah, two things. Two things reaching.
Yeah.
You never expect at all, I never expect she to dream that.
He never expect what?
She to dream that. Can you have her as a good girl?
Him have what?
Have her as a good as.
Yeah. But you see, let me tell you why that can't catch me, You see, let me tell you. All right. Listen to me. Women know how to make men make decision where the man think is him independently make the decision and don't even know so the woman condition him towards that decision.
From day one, they play.
Right. And him don't know so the woman a build up and like me always use a little hypothetical example. So that woman want to change the curtain. One day she may say, and them curtain there, them just a bad color a little bit. She not go no further.
Yeah.
And next time, the curtain of them, can keep out the sunlight. She not go no further. Yeah. And next time, say them, I go change them curtain. She go change the curtain.
Yeah, man.
Right? One next time, say curtain them I get on my damn nerves and whatever. One Sunday. Before you know it, the man say, say me I go surprise my wife and buy her a curtain and poor him no know I said she don't set him for go buy the curtain.
Long time.
Yeah.
Long time.
And when him buy the curtain, she be like, Jesus God, how you do that? Who you know so me need the curtain? That's why I have to love you, come here. Whatever. No, right? And him don't know say him get programmed long time. Lead up to that something there. All right, you see that CM something there now? Hey, you know how much time a woman a go born man and thing. You see when a woman meet a man, within 2 or 3 interaction, she already know if she might do something with him, It means she a go do it, But when woman interact with a man earlier, them know, whether or not them are going to do. Yeah. And him no must get it. She just know this year, that thing I could have happened. Yeah, all right then. Yeah. You see when woman are go born now and thing, them things set and whatever, One time a woman called in and she said she's a born woman, but she make sure say the married man who she there with, she make sure say him take care of everything to do with the wife. And she buy the wife birthday present, and she remember this and that, and she tell him for surprise her with this and that. And she do. So when I say, but why you do all of that? And I saw me learning a year where the woman said to me, she said, Raga, no, I have to make him take care of she, because when she comfortable, she not go look for me.
Seeing what you say.
She said when she comfortable and thinks that this man is so attentive and so in love with her and whatever, she said she not gonna worry about if me, somebody like me exists. So me can just stay and I get what me want because me just want to keep on I get what me get. So that is how woman think, right? So woman know how to condition man to stay into a particular psychological state where him not think about the possibility of anything I reach him. And the best way to do that is to have him in a state of where him think is predictability. Like, no, sir, my woman no stay, so she would have never do that.
Yeah,
No, sir. And she fool, say, no, my woman don't know them something there. And do my woman don't know them something there.
You know, a long time.
My woman don't know them something there. And that she condition you for whatever. You see, when you and the woman and watch movie, and then you see like a woman go on a generalship, and you hear the woman say, "Jesus and peace." Then how she know how to do them the something there.
Yeah.
Jesus, God, me could even do them something. How she think of them something. Jesus and peace. So why she never just leave if she never want to leave and think? If she never like him, why she never just leave? Why she staying at it and think? If me not like somebody, me just leave and gone and what? That time you know so that woman they are born you.
Long time.
Long time. Or even if she not born you right now, she born you 2 times before and you have no clue so
No
it did
idea.
happen. Right? You understand? So you see enough time, you say, I mean, I have to be careful with me I say. So you see enough time when me they run some woman, I mean hear them neatly volunteer what I call conditional information. Me not say nothing to them, you know.
You know, just go and soak it in.
Yeah, man, I just go and soak it in and say, yes, man, that one you program me, you know. You not make them no wiser because them now make you no wiser. And I saw now when them man they get programming at them something they know. And when the attack claps reach them and they go buck up on something with them, a shock take them in, man, and then turn in an idiot, you know.
Don't get strokes, man. Don't get strokes.
The last thing I tell you with this, and you know the wickedest thing too? You see the man them now who are born them woman, them, a lot of them man, they think so them woman don't know so them are born them, you know.
Raga.
And the woman them
alone.
know, you know.
Alone.
Yeah, and sometimes the woman them we all just say, tell me something, you have any gal out the road? You have gal out the road? No, me not a gal out the road. I hope you not a gal out the road, you know. But the woman we talk to you, so, but she know say you have gal out the road, you know.
Hey,
She know, you know. And
know
then
what
you
you
see
do?
because she know she make some adjustment and I do fear thing too, you know. And so as long as him don't bring no disease come in here, and as long as him don't make me get shame and embarrassment out there or whatever, and things like that, as long as him not go too far with it or whatever, I don't. But me know some have woman out there, man, and it is her choice for just to know me go chill and not do nothing. Or no man, him a film girl out the road to so me go take my man to and thing or whatever. Him no need to know that. You understand? And sometimes some man run up in them little dynamics they know and can't manage it.
Yeah, manage. But Cartel tell nice, you know. Cartel tell nice.
Who you say? Who you say?
The teacher.
Who Cartel?
Yes.
What you say Cartel say?
You say nice son.
What Cartel say? What Cartel
man.
say? What Cartel say?
But Raga, leave me alone.
No man, no, some people get what me are doing, but leave it alone.
No, me know we are.
Yeah, all right, go on. Yeah.
No, we are. Standpipe.
Leave it alone. But yeah, so yeah. So what did he say in that song?
No man, his song was about back one. He say about the girl they love and the girl give him bun, but it's like say boy technically he think about the girl. But the girl do to the man. Same thing we say since night, man.
Yeah.
If the man nothing about something about what the girl do to him, man, the girl freak it too. Some think about how she fucking better than Daniela, man.
Yeah, no F word, no F word. Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah.
Yeah, man, I see a song then.
Yeah. Jano. Yeah. Me can't get born. Cause he may tell people all well, me can't own a woman front. Yeah. Me not own no woman front. And when me in at the front of my front, as me come out, you see me come out and walk go to the bathroom and she go to the bathroom and thing. It's not my front. I don't know what she do over there. When she walk go downstairs, it's not my front. But when me in it, it's my front. When you're out, it's no longer your front, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, you lease it for like 3 hours, you know? Well, that's a joke because, you know, Raga one pop, you know? Good 45 minutes and we're good. We're not approve nothing around here. No, but differently do you know, uno squaddy at Jamaica, you know, say uno grind off most man woman do.
And that's squad JPS, police, soldier, fire.
No, the police, uno the worst, man. Uno more than anybody else, uno grind off man woman, you know.
Because with them a get up.
No, man, you know how much all woman have to say that to the police them for all help them, but hey, you know say, me I tell you this, you know, because I know have 2 cases, you know, one from Constant Spring and one from Alpha Tree, you know. Police lock up man, you know, for grind the man woman, you know.
That wicked them on the wicked. Now doing something.
Yeah, man. See a woman I like and then find out who her man is and then go so ray and lock up a man. And then when the woman a check and thing, him just work the woman and thing and say, if you want to do so female, whatever, you know. Boom, bang, bang, bing. You think it's easy? Ja, no. I say a word, me G. Big up yourself,
Big up
you know.
yourself.
Yeah, man.
Big up
Safety and protection. Here, sir. Yeah, man. Cool.
Cool, respect.
Reggae.
Yeah, me I hear you.
I don't have any mix up figure.
Yes.
But this is one of the regular caller raga.
Oh.
Oh, raga, I need an author. I need somebody to write some books for me.
You need somebody to write some books for you. What kind of book?
About a
Jesus Christ. Hot and spicy. What go on, boo boo?
I'm here, my baby.
People, I want to have a foundation. People, you see this thing I want to enjoy? You have some people, man. Them bill it with me, you know, man. Them calling with the shell down mix up them and them something. They don't know about second back on me, you don't know about Miss Thelma, you don't know about Liquid Deuce, you don't know about the whole man. This is a TamFam Hall of Fame, right? It's a TamFam Hall of Fame, hot and spicy and thing. When this a woman you call, you always hear the bullfrog them in our background. Where bullfrog them then?
Right?
Yeah, when bullfrog them on the outside. Okay.
Yes, what kind of audience? Raga, listen, I'm not on the outside now. I'm the inside. I'm not.
No, people me ever beat her, you know. So when she call me shoe and thing, a people man she a take and she not can't talk inside, you know, because anytime she a talk, a be a bullfrog we hear around her and make noise, you know. You understand? What go on, me baby? Where I say?
I'm here, my darling. I'm here hanging on.
Good for hear your voice, man. Good for hear your voice. Good for hear your
And I
voice.
tell Elaine too cute about you.
Yeah, man. You know, it's people. You know, it's up to since night. Somebody must say a car like that. Them that say Michelle too cute, and me I say no, it's Elaine too cute. Them ask me, say never wrong, and Elaine too cute, and thing. And me I say no, it's Elaine too cute, and whatever. Yeah, man. Tell her some over here, man, and tell her say the thing up. Man, tell her say
so tell her to tune in.
yeah. Why just a joy for hear your voice, man. See?
Yes, sir.
Blessings.
But I don't have any mix-up, rather. I only have abuse to talk about.
Well, yeah, we'll call me back because we sure done I know we don't want to pick up nothing heavy.
You know I'm there yet?
Sorry, man, I don't even know your link and whatever. All right, me see your thing now and whatever, so I know
so
what
rather question.
Yeah.
Where's my baby?
Oh, Prezi?
Yep.
Prezi good, man.
Okay, say hi for me.
Yeah, man, me yellow Prezi for you, man. Prezi good, man. And Prezi a juggle see me and a cut and go through, you know?
That's good.
It's all good, man. So we know. So a link there now, man, and just make Alien too cute now and go on here.
Yes, sir.
And big up yourself, you know. You know some man love you and rate you, see me, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, boo. Blessings, man.
Bye.
Cool.
Take care.
Yeah, man. Protection. Cool.
Bye.
The great Hot and Spicy and thing. One of the listeners, some of the classic Ragashanti shows them over YouTube at the TamFam TV channel. The TamFam TV channel. When I listen to them whole show, they're not going to hear Hot and Spicy. I drop some sample mix up from back in the day, you know. What do you mean if I know Dana from Pembroke? Up to what day I talk to Dana from Pembroke? Up to what day I talk to Biggie? Biggie there. Fine, you know. Big up Biggie and thing, you see? Everything is everything, man, all right? In the meantime, I could take 2 more of them here before we shub, you know. No, when I reach no 1 million likes tonight, you know, I leave before that, you know, one Ellie. And what Ellie are going on talk about 1 million, tap up the screen 1 million, like say, people, she's in London, you know, so you know, say, 10:21 now, 5 hours ahead, that means say, it's 3:21 in the morning there for her, right? She soon drop asleep. She hype. All right, let's see what I go on. Take 2 more of them. Yeah, me and Biggie good back again, man. Kimberly, me don't own a 1 hour nothing, right? Me don't own a 1 hour. It's 10:21 now. That means technically over the 3 hours since me start. I start about 20 to 7. So 3 hours gone already.
Right down.
Hello? Hello? Wait.
Hello?
Wait.
Raga, good night.
You know, if I went me and tell you hello and you not answer, what go on?
The internet go right down.
Your internet go right down, your internet go and
Yeah.
come. It not right, it go and come down.
Yeah. What go on?
You know, so me there, boo, fully
Why you
blessed
know,
and
it's a long time me I listen to your show. You know, see me writing and tell us if fan them a cuss you to apologize for radio, me I listen to your show, you know.
them days they don't give thanks,
A
man.
long
There,
time,
man.
Raga, long time.
Seeing?
But me don't really have no mix up, you know, so I call in to give you a yell up still.
It goes some man, and I'm fully appreciative of that and thing, all right? Blessings and respect,
Yeah, man.
And which part you
Yeah,
yell
man, you
from?
too.
Which part you yell from?
I yell from Manchester in a Christiana.
Christiana, Manchester, proper, you know, Mark and Brittany area and thing, and whatever. Bless up yourself, man, all right? Big up yourself for safety and protection here, and respect for the yell, all
Yeah,
right?
man, you too, cool.
Yeah, man, enough blessings, man, cool.
All right.
Yeah.
Hello?
Miss Paulette, where you going?
Not much. What's up, Professor?
Me there, man, what you say?
Not much. We just, I don't have no mix up either. We just a call to be a yellow.
It goes some man, seeing all is well?
Yeah, man, all is well. I'm happy to see you over here.
Yeah. No,
It's
man,
about time.
it nice, man, over here, nice. It festive and up, you know?
Mm-hmm.
You see
Yeah,
it?
man.
How your son and your daughter and your grand them?
Everybody good.
Everybody good. All right, man. Blessings, man, and things. Seeing everything proper. You still down, so? Nah, give no specifics, eh? Same place. Don't say another word. Leave it right. This and things. Straight blessings and things. Seeing?
All right, darling.
All right, Paulette. Blessings, man. Cool.
All right, man.
Yeah, man. Cool. Yeah. All right. Me know say 1 or 2 more and then we'll go and thing. People remember the show is Mondays to Thursdays, so I won't be here tomorrow. All right, and I don't want to come bad me up. All right, people, when 6 o'clock come, you know, as soon as 6:01 or 6:02, you know, be a DM me and get a where you there? Where you there? 6 o'clock gone. Where you there? I be a bad up a reach me, you know. Yeah, all them stylings there reach me, man. Yeah, you see, me have a subscriber, she named Julie, sweet man, Kimberly too, you know. I want the bar. Make 6 o'clock.
Hiya.
Hi. Hello.
Hold on, I'm not hearing the question.
Don't listen to the radio, listen to me. Don't listen to your phone, listen to me.
Alright, so hi, Katie.
Yeah.
Alright, so I need some advice. So it's a relationship
Yeah.
advice.
All right. Yes, and I'm going to give it to you. Is there something playing in the background?
Hold on.
Yeah.
Is it better?
It's so much better. Talk to me.
Alright. So I've been talking to this guy. We've known each other for like 1 year now.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so I would say a time in last week, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you know that we've been dating, going on and on before we made it official in a relationship.
Mm-hmm.
So last week now we were supposed to like meet up and go on a date.
Okay.
So the
1
date got
second.
cancelled
Wait, 1
because he
second.
mentioned something about
Wait, are you on earpiece, Bluetooth, or speakerphone?
no.
Okay, all right. Then, just speak a little closer to the phone because there's some kind of feedback we're getting. But go on. Mm-hmm.
All right. Are you hearing me clearly now?
Yeah, a little better. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so last week now, as I said, we were supposed to like meet up and go on a date, but it got cancelled because something came up.
Because what?
So, you know, something came up, like basically saying that he had to like buy a phone or something, so he wasn't going to have enough money to like go on the date. So I said, all right, because I was just being understanding, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we met up anyways, and we just met up and like have lunch and stuff for it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wait. What is that? You have another phone near you? You have another phone near you? Hello?
Hold on, give me 1 minute.
Hello? Oh, patience, people. I have a good feeling about this. Hello? Oh, I think she gone. I wonder what was that about, you know? I wonder if somebody here attack and sometimes that happen, you know. Yeah.
Good night.
Yeah, well.
Good night.
Good night.
So, we have a mutual friend, so let's start there. I was supposed to link with you 2019, but then the COVID thing.
Mm-hmm.
So, the person came to you with an idea, and you like the idea. But anyway, that's not why I called. Me in a one piece of mix up.
Yeah, tell me
My
about it.
life is like a soap opera, but this a chapter, yeah? Mm-mm.
Tell me.
So, I
Say now.
moved from one place near Witter Hill, right?
Mm-hmm.
5 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, they I try struggle, I try do my thing.
Mm-hmm.
After a year and 1 month, no, I have a man, yeah, and him a look me. Not my type, but
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I look me. Anyway, I have a woman who lives next door, yeah, so.
Mm-hmm.
She claims, say, I just her brethren. Them sit down for hours and talk, right?
Right.
Hours.
Mm-hmm.
I come see them. Anyway, I start to talk to him.
Mm-hmm.
3 months, fine. Because, like, not much people didn't know. But she, never sure. Anyway, Raga, As to she, she had a uncle lady up here.
Mm-hmm.
Because she have 3 people, the 3 of them drop one place, and she chat everybody.
Right.
Mm-hmm. So anyway, let's start to talk to the man. For me, I say, no, I mean, nobody him like nobody. Well, that's what I did think. But
Mm-hmm.
rather, the man musical cheers.
How you find that out?
Okay. When I come here,
Mm-hmm.
he was with somebody.
Right.
But that's a different mix-up. Let me stick to my own.
Yeah. Stay with your one. Stay with your one.
So, anyway, me start to talk to him. Me and she are talking, from me move come here, me and I move and thing and yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So, me and him are going and me realize before me start to talk to him, me ask her, me say, Shelly, you ain't cocking or nothing? She said, no. My name Lisa, so I try with name me I call Lisa, Shelly, and Joshua.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, cock they call him.
Them call
So
Joshua
anyway,
Cock.
yeah. So anyway, there I struggle and me say, man, look me.
Mm-hmm.
And them always I say, oh, you're not a man. You look good, and you're not a man.
Mm-hmm.
So me look good, but me head mad. Me no want a man. I come fuck with me head. Me
Yeah.
have a trigger.
Yeah, don't use the F word here.
Okay, so
Yeah.
anyway, me and him a go on. Me realize from it come out now, so we are talk.
Mm-hmm.
I remember, she say her friend,
Mm-hmm.
Because before me talk to him, we make sure me go and me ask her again.
Mm-hmm.
Me say, yeah, you mad? I'm a friend. Me not take area man, and if me even take area man, me couldn't take him.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Then I talk to him, because I say, him see how me stay, so he couldn't look me, to come mess, come mess around me.
Right.
So, all right. So him can clean up, I'm look good otherwise, so.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Me realize, Raga,
Mm-hmm.
every minute she and him a argue.
Mm-hmm.
Every minute she and him a argue.
Mm-hmm.
And when me come here, me never consider them a argue. But me
Okay.
never know, say, the two of them in a things.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, me and him a go on and news a carry and me realize me think I did one next woman really further up the hill from me.
Mm-hmm.
But me I say, no, sir. Some things where him a say,
Mm-hmm.
me know say a she it a come from.
Okay.
All right. She have one blender for me I use, right? So one
Well, she
night,
borrow your blender.
yeah man, can me just come here, she use my blender, she use my iron, So anyway.
Well, when she borrow them and just have them over there.
No man, me and her did a friend
Right.
before, yeah.
Right, but me say she still okay. All right, go on. She borrow your blender and your iron, yeah.
Yeah, 2 blender me have.
Yeah.
So me know say something at
Yeah.
him said to me one night, me and him did there, and him a say, me have to borrow people things, and me a borrow. Me say borrow people things like what? But for boy my talk now, so me say the people we a chat have my blender more than 7 months I use. So me not say, oh, them a go talk about if me borrow nothing, from them.
Mm-hmm.
When me look, but by the weekend, she care about
The blender come back down. The
and say
blender
she
come
buy one
right back.
blender.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So,
No, but
me I said, no,
but in
sir.
the interest of the matching and the thing, you could get down to a thing there and see what we can figure out if if we can help you with and thing, As
No man,
opposed
I'm
to just
help you,
telling me
but
everything.
my story, as I say, your thing,
Mm-hmm.
So, may I click my live? Because that's what TikTok is for, story time.
Right, right.
But I click my life when I can tell the story exactly. Because I want to tell the story how it raw and stay, I can't tell it on your platform.
Right,
You
right.
know, at your time I go anyway. So persons can follow me. Come to Raga, I want a peer family ram. I come in a one piece or something.
Okay.
Cause man there with how much I fear her cousin them and she a good lady. So me never da look for she talk to him.
So wait there. Cock there with fear cousin him.
Yeah, he used to
And
talk to the big one, then the big one gone. He start talk to the small one.
oh, and then him a talk to she too.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And she had to, oh, and she not there with her, she not, that's just you
So hold
know?
on, straight up question. So the reason why you bring it up is so people know so them can go over to your life.
Well, that too, but me come on it, but when me realize, yeah, tell the person say, no man, I just said to me, say, no man, you can't say that word there. Cause we the things say like, oh, you're there on TikTok, you know?
No, you can
The
say no.
platform would be more.
You can on TikTok you can free up and talk where you want to talk. I'm just saying my
Yes,
show.
but
Hold
you
on,
say on your program, you know?
hold on.
You have to watch them.
Yeah, no. In my show,
Mm-hmm.
I have chosen to tell people just you can't talk about the thing, you know, but just use code, you know, because I have a lot of people who listen me for years and years and years,
So
and them just don't
basically,
do that
all
graphic
right,
thing.
every time me and him war and stop talk, you know, go to him, go say no. Like when me and her that chat her, you know, me a chat, she a chat. But she a go back to him and me never know.
No,
You
but
understand?
what me I say is, it can be that you want to tell with the story, you know. You said story time, you know. My show is not really about story time as such, you know. Yeah, Jamaican, so you know what Mixup is. It's really about punchline and them something there, whatever. I do counseling sometimes and things, but they tend to be a little more point.
This need more than counseling because me wouldn't stop talk to the man. The woman spread a piece of room upon me.
Say what?
Well, one, me I get to learn so me was prostitute. And I put more me come from everybody know me. So me have to look some people to come from my life. Because this when people chat you learn a lot of things about you. But for the fact say, the woman I say, she wouldn't talk to the man, but at the same time, every time me and the man war, me and the man talk back. You understand?
Yeah.
She get more and more angry. She
Yeah.
get more and more angry.
Well, obviously, yeah, because I soon have to cut to one thing, take off Maka. From what you said thus far, some generalship are going this with her because she look like she's invested with him in some way and thing, and then she at a point now where she have some problem
That's
with
why
you.
me did ask, you know.
Yeah.
Because it's true them always sit down and talk.
Yeah.
That's why me ask her.
Yeah. All right. So you have to go match out that, you know, you have to know how much you into him now or how much you invested
No,
with
sir.
him. Okay.
Brother, the man is the kind of, listen, a man not keep no one woman. And any woman think that something wrong with them brain.
No, you have man out there who have one woman. You have man out there with one
Brother,
woman.
not bother with it.
Hold on. All right then. Hold on. Watch out. All of the man them who only have one woman want to post up in the chat say, that's me. Let me see. All of the
And
man.
lie, them I got tell.
No, hold on, I could see how much man put out there. I said, that's me. All of the man them have one woman. Just post, that's me. See that, that's me. Look, why you look, you know? So, right? That's me. All of the man them only have one
Brother,
woman.
alright.
Hold on, man.
Me get
Hold on, man.
this
Hold on. I say, hold on.
Mm-hmm.
All right, then. You see, we got about 30 or 40, 50 people say, that's me. You are telling me, say, all of them man, they are liars?
And you believe that?
When I'm ask you a question, you are telling me, say, all of them man, they are liars?
Most of them, yeah. They're lying.
Oh, so most, that means that some of them are telling the truth.
You ask me something. Yes, me hurt, I'm angry. Because 1 year and 4 months, me never chat to no man because me never want none. Me that try to do things and I do things myself.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So,
So when time you hear a woman a say, you know what ya, leave me alone. And the man, me tell the man point blank say, me no want no dog for the man, and no dog in them man a drunk, bro.
oh, John, no. So here we are going. Him and her up to something and the man sound like him is a player, you know, so I just you if you
No
understand
man,
your
him
thing.
worse than player because
Yeah.
you want me know. Me loud, you know. So me realize a way that go on up here. You see? Because the one that hide and attack to him, and the one that hide and attack to him, so it avail him the ability to tell lie. You understand? If you see him there, so I just my friend.
Here we are going. The man is a player, you know. You feel know what you will get from him if you go stay with him and if and what kind of stress you can deal with or whatever. If you can't deal with it, you just cut him off and go take a next man or use your vibrator and just bounce it alone with nothing. You understand what I say? Alright?
So
Yeah, man. But me go bounce two more before me cut and thing, alright? But you know what to do, man. You already know. You read the play already.
no, me do it already.
You do it already.
But me just say,
Yeah.
I scroll and see, I think, on wait, Tuesday night or so.
Mm-hmm.
One of them night, I mess a whole lot of on TikTok.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Me there,
So me
man.
think so the program, as me say, would I be a little loose then. So me say, alright, me come.
Yeah. No,
You
man.
know?
Yeah, it easy going,
Yeah.
but you know, yeah, me kinda just the F
But I
word,
guess I
man.
realize why
Yeah, yeah.
just now.
Yeah.
Because your program a thing where you have to put out otherwise. So I guess that's
Yeah,
why.
yeah. We have a
Yeah.
separate thing we may go do later on where people
Yes,
can
B,
come.
I was in love with
Yeah.
him, and you know just fall out of love, so B, but you have sense. No, somebody in the comment may answer.
Oh, all right then. All right. Now say a word here.
All
Now
right.
bunks two more of them call and look. All right, cool.
Well, followers, there's so much people I have. I want to them in that chat.
Look over here and see. Hello. Hello.
I'm so sorry, this was a mistake.
No, hold on. So what sweet you make you laugh? It's
No,
sweet.
because I was just saying the lady should come down.
Yeah, and why?
Because she wasn't making any sense and
She not.
I mistakenly got on the live. I don't know.
No, it's okay. But what do you but you should not make no sense. What you think was our objective then for calling you?
Because I don't know. Maybe she wanted to tell her story, but her story is too tall for your program.
Well, yeah, okay.
And she can't cut it into pieces.
Yeah.
Yes, so she can't get to touch the juicy points.
Yeah. All right, then that's our word here.
Have a good night, Raga.
Yeah, man, blessing, man. It's just so funny when we bring you in here, you have boss your little laugh in your own little space there and thing, you know, it was cool, you know? All right, cool. Blessings, man.
Take me down, I don't know how to do that.
Yeah, don't worry, man. Listen, darling, I brought you up and Raga will take you down. Just know that, all
Okay,
right?
darling.
Okay, sweetie. Yeah. God. Yo.
Good night.
Good night.
No, sir, me at the I'm getting night morning. I not even know what them to start from, brother.
No, but we not. You depend speakerphone, earpiece, or Bluetooth.
No, sir.
You're muffled, though, you know. You sound like you're under. You know, you sound like you're matey under bed.
Not at all. Me at the mate here with your partner.
No, let me say you sound like matey under bed.
Oh, no, I'm not going down a bed, you know.
So, all right, we could see if we can hear you a little better and thing. Just start directly in your phone here.
All right, I'm put it. I tell Aris said him to come down. Aris said the play live now will invite me to your bash and them know him have woman.
I invite you to where?
Your bash. A bash me call it, man.
Yeah. So oh, you know the man have woman.
But tell him to type up in the thing and tell me say him not have no woman.
No, but you want go on know. If a man a move to you one away
No,
and thing.
but here what me know, me tell you something with the Jamaican man them.
Yeah.
Them love for jump up on the things.
Yeah.
And them manage things. Because you know when text after, him can't fly out again so quick because them got take him in visa after him. Enough of himself and about who me carry them to your show, to your thing.
Oh, okay. But
You
when
get what me I say?
no, me get what you say, you know. I mean, I mind people take on people, you know, call them and take them on. But something like no, but me say something like that. No, we are that me I say we are load him up for if the man a move to you quietly. We are load him up for
No quiet thing.
what?
I want him talk and yes, him come out and yes and invite. You know much woman would answer him?
How much woman what?
Yeah, like goodly answer him.
No, but you never have to load up in general.
No, me I load him up.
Why? Eh?
Them to stop it. My friend him already from me, I follow him a lot.
No, you want me answer. Let me ask you something. In all of your life, you never yet talk to a man where you want it hold down.
Yeah, but you don't come on this. Him should have friend me first and then deal with me differently, but him do it loud. So I have to do it back loud.
Oh, me never know that part. I think him didn't move to you one away.
No, right by yourself. You see him answer there?
Wait. Wait him answer where?
Harris going to Ross. Where him say? Sorry, me can't use
No, man, I know him that, man.
Hold on there, come on. Oh, I
No, a people are poor something.
the same gun.
Same gun.
Yes.
Yeah. You make your general splurt, man.
Yes. Them not to do. Rather them not to load up them things in the Ross.
No, so what you say, if him come in on the chat now and move to you whatever this and that, him rang up this song.
I moved to him long time.
Yeah.
I go to the page him all I use. So we don't know.
Okay. All right. Yo, Aris Lego, man. Aris not devil.
One quick one. Make me live look back the lady, the kind of lady. I'm tired, no rather.
What you say, the call a while ago, lame up a thing?
Yeah, for real.
You're not afraid to cuss out your cloth and thing. You understand?
No mind.
Yeah. No, you can't go on like you're wicked and thing. Try know so she can go back to cock and make cock come beat you, yeah?
Well, that's true, because
Yeah.
me listen to the show and say, woman go on yard and say she bad.
No, but remember say cock still one time, you know, so she can get cock for beat you. She can beat you with cock here.
Well, that's true. Sorry, you know, mom. Sorry.
Yeah.
Hey, I know one time, you know, I'm not playing with you again in the Raga. I can't take a look.
And me fi tell you.
But I have to tell you this.
All right, rinse it quick. Yeah, rinse it quick. Yeah.
You see, listening to you, I'm tired of my two jobs. I do today in the Raga, you know what the fine thing said.
Mm-hmm.
I'm come in, one of them last kitchen work. They are the fryer and deal with me too. All of that and something. I'll plate me, I wash on Raga.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm tired, so this is a relaxing thing. Laugh before I go to sleep. Yeah, man, that help, man. I'm gonna look for you too by looking at you. Yeah, you look a mix up for you. Yeah, I love the mix up. I look there. I'm glad to can see this and I'm not ready. I'm listen to you, you know. So blood, you know.
So rinse it now.
Right,
you don't have to preoccupy yourself with my ugly self. Yeah.
So them have a thing where them have soldiers them to watch out for them when them are bringing.
Nah, you know, so we're not here, you know, and cheap pop down phone, you know.
No, I lie, I tell you. You can look and see, like
I can't see.
Something I use, but at 23.
So, if you see it, I can't see.
You have a thing where you can show you what kind of phone the caller use.
What you mean, here on TikTok?
Yes.
Oh, I don't know.
Tell if
No,
Or
I don't know about that. I
Samsung.
don't know if you do that.
Yeah, guess who learn enough about it?
All right.
And my son make me know. I'm 17. So anyway, Raga. So him the warm. When me did there, I don't know if I work me there or whatever. Then have him cousin where I watch out and two other neighbor watch out for something because they are carrying the woman.
Mm-hmm.
So the cousin forget what him say and me I whappy back in there. So you don't talk about the whappy back thing.
Mm-hmm.
So me whappy back go through the neighbor yard, go through the back fence and go in at the yard. This when I go in, the girl up on the veranda.
Mm-hmm.
Him the round of the room, and then if I prepare the room for her, what am I do? I just go round to her.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, hear my good dog?
Yeah, man, I hear you, but no, me nah, yeah, you're kind of muffled.
I lack of TV, everything. I'm not.
No, man, you know, because you just a beat the woman, but she a call up his shoe and thing, and you go, you know, so you're not get to a point where you say.
All right then. No, I'm not the first me I come on, you know, so I know the mix-up thing, you know, I know for deal with it.
Yeah.
So what me I say is that me tell me see the woman for come inside. Me go see a woman there, you know, and tell her for come out of the sun off of the veranda.
Yeah.
Put her in our living room.
Yeah.
Sit down while me go in the room with the man, lock the door and tell him say if him want.
Hello?
You not hear me?
No, you cut off a while ago.
Yeah. I don't know how I go on with something else.
No, man, that happen when you use people Wi-Fi.
No, I use my own Wi-Fi. Jamaica me there, you know.
Jamaica
me there.
Eh?
And New York me there.
Yeah, trouble, man. No, yeah, get cut off, you know.
The same thing. No, me calling one night and go good.
You get cut off and come in. So I don't know what cause it, you know.
Oh, John no star. I say I want to get the people them want joke, you know, man. You hear me now, Raga?
Well, now we are, yeah. Mm-hmm.
All right. So me I tell you, say, the girl the on the veranda, I me invite her inside. Remember, you know, I'm a man, she come for look fine, but me done figure out where him a plan. I'm a whap it back to the neighbor yard and go through the back fence and come in, see her up on the veranda. I say, hi, how you doing? Why you out in the sun?
Mm-hmm.
Come inside, living room, a red carpet inside from the living room, you know, I'm tell her to sit down in this and wait.
Mm-hmm.
While me go around the room, call the man inside and lock the door and tell him say if he want piss through the window and the girl sit down out there. And me and that put on one piece of fighting in a that. Me tell him say me whap up that and then me whap him up otherwise.
You whap up that and then whap him up otherwise?
Yes, man.
What you do? Hold on.
And then we F it out.
You war him and so you beat you war him and then you
I don't really say beat, you know, but you know, bad up the thing and
bad
then
up the thing and then
the whole works and then there's something there.
So you're one of them then you would just bust a war upon him and thing and then say you said I come and just don't war you two and thing. I would like my F right now. I want my F right now.
Exactly, and that
Oh God. Yeah.
Yeah, me I tell you, no, Raga for real, man. Me say the girl.
So hold on, so what you say? You just F him up and then F it out.
Yes. Him so. Me say you know, Raga, you remember them round ball with the water in it with the glitter and them something there?
Yeah.
All that me fling off him in the room, you know, that broke up, you know.
Jesus, what you do that for? You know, for fling things
off. No,
off.
but I never really want it lick him. I just want him to know so either him take my fuck him have woman.
So when
Yeah,
you
man,
so when
one
you
run out and next one run in.
so when you assert him out in there, she sit down outside there?
Me say Raga, me say me not even know. I must him cousin come back and tell her so she fi go on or something. But me no say him not get to go. He want go outside. Me say piss through the window. If you want come out, piss through the window.
Cause you know make him go out there and think him have to stay in there and sort you out, don't.
He in there and saw me.
So tell me something now. When you do that sort out, that a particular bad up and take sort
Nice, you
out.
see?
What you say? Them sort out the nice.
When you not understand no Raga, that make you feel, you know, like you're the queen, you know, you are the one, you know, cause him want go out there, but him now push you go out there, and then the same Fred me come here tell you a bad man.
A bad man. Okay. So him just a
Yeah.
play along and you know, you
Cause
go.
me are the one. It's me I tell you say woman for leave. It's when me hear on talk about that thing, you know. Woman for stop go a man yard. Cause the man them lie. So them not have no woman, I made the woman them come and through them can't pay the hotel fee. Them want carry the woman come at them yard and go like them a man. And enough of them bad man the way you see. Them woman have them head. Them right woman have them head.
Okay.
No, and I make up story, Shirley. Me not ask Christ. And I make up. Me not do makeup. I have story after story. Me just answer Shirley.
All right.
Me no make up not no man dragger. Anytime you hear me come up on this one, I
Yeah.
no make up a straight thing.
So all that thing I didn't end up with you and the general now.
We good. Me never tell some lock down with him for the whole night. Me don't know where she turn. I don't know where she go. But you know, man, I go be man. Raga man, I go be man. Them always I go want whatever. But me was the rightful woman.
Okay.
And me now left my man so. Finna woman.
You if you find so your man a sort out other woman and thing, you not left him so for that.
As long as him a treat me right.
All right, so the man a
the
treat
only
you.
thing
I
you
said,
have to
all
worry
right,
about.
hold on. So if your man a treat you good, but him a shell out woman on road and whatever, as long as him a treat you good, you not left him.
You have to just be concerned about.
Yeah, you know,
You
why
know,
might
that-
bring in pan you and then sitting there, whatever.
Yes.
But you not left him. You not left him. Tell me something. I want you may I ask you something. I want you be honest, okay? If you there with a man who no have no woman out the road and they round you pretty much almost 24/7, him they round you and things like that, whatever. Would you be comfortable with a man there? No woman out the road. None at all. Just you.
Want a man like that because me can be all the woman them where him want. Any type of woman him want me fi be, me can be that woman there. So that's the man. I think every woman dream is to have a man like that.
No, it's not every woman dream, but what me I say is, so you would prefer to have a man who not interact with no other woman. I just say walla man.
Yeah.
Okay.
That the man there, that the man them I want. I don't want a man where I have no only woman out there. But there's certain man when me I tell you about is when I was younger. They have certain man when you're young. He was my first man too. When you're young and you're foolish to certain things and whatever, you're not gonna just let go so.
Okay. All right.
You understand? But then that kind of the past still. But
Yeah.
you don't know.
Let me see if I can get one or two more mix up before my cut, because I want for Lego you know, you know. I get tired. All right.
Aye.
Now say a word, man. Safety and stay safe, you know. Big up yourself.
Yeah, bless.
All right, people, make we see if we can hold one and two more and thing and see if we can have one we close off the night proper and thing. All right. Let we see what I'm going yes. Hello.
When me join?
You just joined a while ago.
Sorry, I don't.
What you say what?
Sorry about that.
What you mean sorry? What you
Because
sorry?
I don't have any story to tell.
Eh? So all you end up a send request.
I don't know. I'm not sure because I have the phone and I listen.
You have the phone and I listen the ray and whatever. So I want you there. What that sound there? I want you there.
Me and my baby.
How old is your baby?
She's gonna be 10 months tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh, well, on then now. All right, then. She heard me?
She's hearing you.
All right,
She's
then.
seen you also.
All right, then. I tell that. Oh, yeah, you can do that. What is her name?
Chimonique.
What's her name?
Chimonique.
All right, shall I look for me?
Yes.
All right. Happy birthday, Shamonique.
Not birthday.
Not tomorrow.
10 months.
Well, 10 months.
Her birthday is in August.
No, you know, I'm not going to sing happy birthday. You know what? Hi, Shamonique. Hi, Shamonique. Hi, Shamonique. Yes. Shamonique. Shamonique, hi.
He's laughing.
Hi, Shamonique. Hi, Shamonique. This is Uncle Raga.
Okay, Raga, good night. I'm still listening.
All right, then. And listen, happy 10 months to you, beautiful little Shamonique. And big up yourself, yeah?
Okay, thank you.
You're most welcome. Take care. Good, good, good. People don't know something right, you know, so you shouldn't be surprised right there. All right, what you right?
Hey, Raga.
Hey, what's up?
It's a good thing to be here. Anyways, never a quick one.
Yeah.
This happened like 6 months ago.
Yeah.
Then with this man for over 5 years.
Uh-huh.
Then I say my own woman him have.
Uh-huh.
So I'm go out and tell me say him build house and woman gone left him.
Uh-huh.
Pack all furniture one side of house. Then both woman brother come for furniture sometime after. Anyway, past that. 5 years past now. I still no feel pleased this man. I feel like my hide something.
After 5 years.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, work one day. One car I mean usually drive, you know, you see driver, so I think I him in it.
Uh-huh.
I'm on the verge to left this man, like I make me pay stress.
Uh-huh.
So me bend down and look now. This one female in the car.
Uh-huh.
But watch the female until she park the car and come out.
Mm-hmm.
Follow her till she go in one building. And my mind I tell me, what go down there go question this woman?
Mm-hmm.
Go in at the place and start question. I say, miss, you don't know me, but I know you. Can you step outside and have a word with you? She said, of course. She come out now and start talking. I say, you know, so and so. She said, yes, that's my man.
She said, that's my what?
Yes, that's my man.
She said, that's our man.
Yes.
Yeah.
Raga. I say, my heart feel like I never drum through my chest. Because this man I have nobody else in me one. I want him to find out say with other man what I'm not going to do. Anyway, I said to the lady, say, how long you in there now? She said 20 years she in there. And I'm good at man.
But 20
so
years?
You have a house in a such and such.
Hold on. You just said 20 years?
Yes, some a side chick and think me away me and girl. I think I'm me and girl because this man I can't go everywhere. And brother me I want to part time for the BUN. Because this me and the man come like Barney and Clown. We don't have one another. But the thing is, woman is overseas. So I guess I know that me a wife too.
Oh, okay.
So I can't go to the woman yard. Yard when tell me say I feed him. Mm-hmm. The woman overseas now. Me take for me. Jesus, me faithful. Anyways, me I go to the woman yard and I sleep. Because me pay them go there. The man I show me what we call wall and room and you them can steal over your son and the people. Them house matter about them the woman house, you know.
Yeah.
Anyway, I said to the lady, so I said one house, you know, such and such area. She said, yes, because she do real estate. And I laugh out together and I share him in our business. So me say, me say used to in a little thing back in the days and make a big money and him put money together and buy the house. I mean, buy the land and build the house.
Yeah.
She said, don't have a red cent in my Ras house. Can I say that?
Yes, man.
Him don't have a red cent in my Ras house, and that's why they come and tell me what I go on because I want to get rid of Ras. Because every time I come to Jamaica, I tell me about I go look for mother. I mean, I go look for my mother. Tell me you will go. They say yes, look. So anyways, before we decide to come here, cut long story short, we say we go call him. So me call him on my phone now. Him take a while because the man will not answer phone right away because my player, you know.
Him a what?
He not answer phone right away. You return your call, but him not got yeah.
Well, you say him a what? You say him a what?
Him a player.
Him a player, okay.
When you see, come round you and take their phone and vibrate and turn it down on the face. So when it ring, you can't see how call is a player that.
No, that is not necessarily true, but go on.
No, Raga. Me just strongly believe I feel story that the woman all complain about it. So I can't see no man phone call him. Every time he come around, it's the same thing him do.
All right, go on. So what happened after when I try calling him?
Me not answer the call, so I'm returning back the call. So I open the line and put it on speaker. So I say, where you call my phone for now? Yeah, me I return back the call. Me say, you know somebody named so and so?
Yeah.
Him say yes. So me say, she there? I say, no. So me say, answer. No, him actually, we not joke it out because him say, I play me up here. So me say, answer miss. When he hear the woman call him, oh, so no gang of promise, I love triangle this. Raga, him man doing me see make he hang up the phone, or you know, someone with that guilty and a take with themselves. The man are like goof around with the thing and I say, yo, it's a love triangle. That means him not sorry for what he do.
No, me I hang up your phone, you know.
Of course, because you have bad me up the whole time. I tell myself, you find me with any of them and what you are going to do me. And the same thing you do to the woman too. And the woman says, she want to come and find and she want to give peace. And because of him, she can't forgive him. Now she find out about me, she going to go over back and find and make the man know. So the man left. She going to start carrying the man to come my yard now. So guess what? He get kicked out. Me kick him out, so him not have nobody.
No, but oh, you for kick him out of the woman house where you're in?
No, him used to come at my yard, come sleep.
Oh, okay.
And come back again.
Okay, but then him used to, okay, me see where you say. So you so you left him after the 5 years, you left him?
But me not must left him after man I come tell me say I'm me alone and it's a bag of story back out. But
well, hold on. So you say for 5 years you think you're a wife and thing,
yes.
And then you buck up on a woman who him there with for 20 years.
Yes.
Jano.
And come all of me yard one Sunday man I come tell me say I'm there with the woman for 14 years and the man are left. And then left me and go back over the woman here the same Sunday. Woman call me and hear me in the background and shout, imagine, at 22 years now me and you're there and I say you give it up. I say you go left me. Raga, what you tell me?
No, okay. So when him say no, she tell you say him and she and him there for 20 years. But then so after the drama now, him come tell you say him and her there for 14 years and left, which is convenient, you know, because that means some time pass and then him go there with you. But then she open the phone and make you hear him over there now. After him don't tell you that I tell she about 22 years me you left and you want to come dash it with someone, whatever this and that. No, him is a player for true, proper player that thing. Yeah.
Big man to Raga.
So talk you got you not miss him.
A big man for your place, so.
No, you not miss him.
Miss what? You dog and drunk that in a while.
All right. I'm gonna ask you something now more. You tell me the truth. Cause you say I give you trouble for 5 years, you know. You never want to come on the way you quietly and say whatever.
To be honest, Raga make pass at me, but because me up in my parties now, me tell myself so me a big man, I have my daughter, I want to show respect from nowhere. You know, after some years, you go and change your old vibes. One or none. You get me, I say?
Okay.
Like what earth around now. You get me, I say?
Yeah. So you did a balance up your thing?
Yeah, man. We like on a real positive thing and I go through with him until him just feel me right along.
Yeah, but yeah, so the whole time, the whole 5 years, you never settle, you never feel
No, me meet this
comforted.
man in the pandemic, you know.
Yeah,
So you know, so everything was on lockdown.
2020, yeah.
Yes.
Seeing. Yeah,
So
so
you never have time to even go. They go say you meet nobody.
exactly. I just you and the person there, Bill and thing. Yeah, right,
Yeah.
true, because everybody did inside, yeah.
So now the woman come now. The woman that open my business and thing, I run our Airbnb, you know. So I suck come everything start show up.
Oh, see it there.
Yeah, because during the pandemic, you know, coming up, I remember say COVID and everybody has to stay wide, you know.
Seeing.
Yeah.
How old him is?
53.
Yeah. And I go so hard.
All him talk about is the thing when I'm having an plan. So that the woman them love so that him can get rid of them.
Oh, at that him
Rather
say?
than post about it.
At that him say?
Yeah, that after me and him left. I tell me say that the woman them wants to him have to give to them.
But tell me the truth, you know, when a man talk like that, usually him strapping and things, so him healthy.
Yep, I ain't gonna lie about that, bro.
You're not gonna lie about that. Him have a healthy
No,
piece
it's a
or something.
proper 9-inch.
Eh? A proper 9-inch. Proper 9-inch him have done. Eh. So you don't miss that. Taki got you. You don't miss it.
No, if me a woman find double cross me, enough feelings just dead out.
Feelings gone.
Me a Virgo, bro. Me a Virgo. So we're done with you. We're done.
Well, that are true. That are
Give you
true.
enough time to redeem yourself and you know try to make nothing better yourself. When we're done. When I look back, we don't remember how the love we did. We're done.
Yeah. You're a Virgo, I'm a Virgo. What date of September you born?
Me a August.
Yeah, August Virgo. Okay, all right.
Yeah, me balance. Me in between. Second to last.
All right, that's the word, man. Big up yourself here.
All right, Raga.
Yeah, man. Love and blessings. Your protection. Cool.
Yeah.
You see, I'm there. People are eat that, you know, me Lego here.